Vice Admiral Samir Saxena, AVSM, NM assumed charge as the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command on 31st October. He succeeds Vice Admiral V. Srinivas, PVSM, AVSM, NM who superannuated after an illustrious career close to 4 decades in the Indian Navy. Both the flag officers paid homage to brave hearts who made the supreme sacrifice in service to the nation at the SNC War Memorial, Naval Base, Kochi. Vice Admiral Samir Saxena was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 1 July 1989 and is a specialist in navigation and direction. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadkwasla, Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, and the Naval War College, Newport. The flag officer has held several key operational, staff and training appointments. As a non-specialist officer, he served on board Indian naval ships, Ajay, Sukanya and Akshay. As a specialist, he served on the direction team on board the aircraft carrier, INS Virat, and subsequently as the navigating officer of Indian naval ships Kuthar, Godavari and Delhi. He has been the executive officer of INS Mumbai. His command tenures include the Mauritian Coast Guard ship Guardian and Indian naval ships Kulish and Mysore. He also served as Fleet Operations Officer of the Western Fleet. His important appointments ashore include Joint Director of Personnel and Principal Director Foreign Cooperation at Naval Headquarters. He was the Naval Assistant to Chief of the Naval Staff from 2011 to 12 and the Naval Advisor at the High Commission of India, London from 2016 to 19. On promotion to the rank of Rear Admiral on 5 February 2020, he served as the Assistant Chief of Naval Staff, Policy and Plans and was responsible for the Navy's perspective, force level, organization, financial and infrastructure planning and acquisition. Thereafter, he commanded the Western Fleet of the Indian Navy from December 2021 to November 2022. In November 2022, he took over as the Flag Officer commanding Gujarat Naval Area. On promotion to the rank of Vice Admiral on 1 August 2023, the Flag Officer took over the responsibilities of Chief of Staff, Eastern Naval Command. During his tenure, the command was involved in a wide range of operational and technical activities with focus on foreign cooperation, infrastructure development, community building and education. He was awarded the Nausena Medal in 2017 and the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal in 2023. He has also been commended by the Chief of the Naval Staff and the Commissioner of Police of Mauritius, both times for acts of gallantry at sea. He is married to Mrs. Laboni Saxena, who has been committed to the Navy Welfare and Wellness Association activities over the years.